three back here behind us.
So
Orange
one.
cones.
Oh, the orange.
Yeah, we got 1, 2, and 3. Are you all just see, are y'all here till Friday or?
We are. They recommended we come back Wednesday though for fuel.
For fuel? Are you
for
all
the generator or something?
So y'all are a full week?
Yeah, we're staying till Friday.
4 nights.
Oh yeah. Well, no, you don't have to come back in Wednesday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's just if you're a full week. If you're a 7-day trip,
Okay.
you would have to come back in.
So if we're
Friday.
coming for fuel, so we'll make it till Friday for fuel then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the
Alright.
boats are designed for about 4 days worth of fuel.
And that's constant movement.
It's constant generated running.
The engine won't make that much. It won't be a turn if it's going down. 5 to 7 gallons an hour. Around a lot of.
What's the tank?
On this one's 120, I think. 120 for the 120.
I did, Mom. Joe, wave! Kylie, wave! Brianna, wave! Emily? Wendy? Mom? Adeline?
We're under our power. We're good. Huh? No, I said we are under our power.
Oh, we are? Driving?
Yeah.